Hey there, a good Dutch oven should last for a really long time. They're great for soups, stews, sauces, braising, and even baking bread. The team at Overmont sent this one over, and so far, this one's a winner for me. Let me tell you why. So this is their 7-quart model in gray. They also have a 5.5 quart and a 4.5 quart available if something this large isn't suited for you, because they are pretty heavy, so you might want something a little lighter, or you might be cooking for a smaller family. They come in multiple colors. There's red, green, orange, blue, white, you name it, they have it. Along with that Dutch oven, there's also a silicone pad included because the bottoms stay hot for a long time, and this will protect the countertop. They sent over a magic eraser to help keep it clean. They're super easy to clean, but on occasion, this will help with the tougher stains since abrasive things should not be used on the enamel. There's also a small recipe book, and finally, it comes with these little, let's call them handle mittens. So these go right over the handle like that. That way there, I'm not gonna burn my hands. And while we're talking about handles, let me show you those. This Dutch oven has nice wide handles on it, so they're easy to grip. They're a good size. There's enough room to get my fingers in there. So I really like that. I've used others in the past that are not quite as wide as this. So that's a good feature for me. Like I've said, I use these to cook lots of different things in it. These cook nice and evenly. They retain heat. They're stovetop safe. They're oven safe. For cleaning, I washed this in a mild detergent and warm to hot water. Did a really good job cleaning up, no issues with it. The lid is nice, it fits on there securely and has a nice handle to grab onto when you're taking it off. If you are in need of a Dutch oven that's gonna be perfect for cooking multiple things, it is one of my go-to things in the kitchen. And then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.